Oh, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna make my hair look like ramen noodles. If you are new here and this is your first time seeing me, my name is Erica Andrea. Please feel free to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss a day when I post a new video. I post new videos every single week, so stick around. If you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this hairstyle, I'm gonna go from beginning to end, show you guys exactly how I achieved it. So let's just get right on into the video. Okay, so I'm starting off with my hair from my Perfect Blonde for Women of Color video. If you guys have not seen that video, go check it out. So I'm gonna be throwing some crimps in her, and I haven't done crimps in a long time, so I'm not even sure like how many sections I need to do, but we're gonna try to finesse this, okay? But I have a mini crimping iron, so hopefully this does the trick. So I'm just gonna hold it. And you're gonna hold it for the same amount of time that you would hold a curling iron, curling wand, before you go ahead and move it down, so that it really imprints on the hair. Then you move it down. So as you guys can see, you can kind of see the crimp coming together, and this is what you get. It actually looks pretty cute. I'm just concerned as to how I'm gonna get the back. So we're gonna keep trying to make this work. Now with crimping, you have to be really patient. As you guys can see, it is going to take forever. Like the amount of time that I would spend curling one section is the amount of time that I spend doing like one crimp, honestly. So yeah, and I just try to curl off the bottom piece so that it's not like flipping up, but this is what it's looking like so far. Let's keep going. So far this is pretty easy. It's not hard. Good. And I know you guys love this blonde wig, and I definitely think someone asked me in the comments to crimp this wig. I don't remember who it was, but if I can remember her, shout outs to you. Your name will be on the screen if I can remember it. You guys gave me the idea to crimp this hair, so I'm just doing it for y'all so you guys can see. This is the same exact wig from my past blonde hair video, so as you guys can see, the hair is holding up really well. I have no complaints, and I've been looking at my stats on Amazon, and I could tell that a lot of you guys have been purchasing this blonde bob wig, so thank you guys so much for your support. I really appreciate it. Anytime I link something in the description box, if you guys make a purchase, it does help me out so much. I get a little money from that, so make sure you guys are using my links if I referred you to something. I said this doesn't have to be perfect until you get to the very top, because that's the part that's going to show. So you want the top to look really good, and the bottom can kind of be a little less perfect. I think you are the one for me. Here is where you want to be. I just want to satisfy. Cause you're not mine, I can't deny it. Don't you hear me talking, baby? Love me now or I'll go crazy. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week is more your thing than mine. More your thing than mine. I can't even lie, I'd rather stay inside. I can't do suit and tie. Can't be in a room with you and stand on different sides. One thing at a time, emotions running wild. I wish you felt alright. Just wish you felt alright. Wish you were my lover, but you act so undercover, babe.
Love your child my whole life long as be right or be wrong. I'm only what you make me, baby. Don't walk away, don't be so shaded. Don't want your mind, want your money.
All right, y'all, last piece. I don't know how I feel about this look. Like, it's not ugly, but at the same time, it's not cute. Like, I'm not really feeling it. What do you guys think? Do you like it, Crimp? Because to me, it just looks like a ramen noodle pack.
I would love you anyway, even if I cannot stay. I think you are the one for me. Here is where you want to be.
The next time I do this hairstyle, I would definitely do it off of my head, like on my canvas mannequin head stand, because it takes forever when you're doing it on your own head and you can't really get the back. So yeah, if you're gonna do this, take the wig off and do it separately. What if I just left this last piece straight and that was the look? No? No? Okay. Now that we've done the whole head, this is what it looks like. Would I do this again? No. Would I recommend you guys give it a try? Sure. If you want to do this on some longer hair with a bigger crimper, I would recommend it, but this small crimper, bruh, it's just not a vibe. It looks like ramen noodles, like it's too small. I don't know if maybe it would look better in a side part. No, it doesn't. Middle part looks the best. I don't know if like maybe I'm supposed to do some type of style. Yeah, I don't like it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, because your girl just wasted her time filming this video for it to come out like poop. Okay, I do not like this. Like, I'm trying to like see what could make this cute, but no. Yeah, no. But it really looks like I did a braid out and that was that. It's really bothering me that I don't know how to make this look good, because that is my thing.
I would love you anyway, even if I cannot stay. I think you are the one for me. Here is where you want to be. I just want to satisfy you, 'cause you're not mine, I can't deny it. Don't you hear me talking, baby? Love me now or I'll go crazy. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion Week is more your thing than mine, more your thing than mine. I can't even lie, I'd rather stay inside. I can't do suit and tie, can't be in a room with you and stand on different sides. One thing at a time, emotions running wild. I wish you felt alright, just wish you felt alright.
Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is how it turned out. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like this style. I not really feeling it, but I tried to make it work to the best of my ability. Let me know in the comments down below how you guys think I did, what you guys think would have made it better, etc, etc. And if you guys want me to do other styles with this blonde wig, I need all the suggestions in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much again for sticking around, watching my channel. I think we hit 2,200 subscribers this week, so I'm so happy that you guys are all still here, even though I can't post that frequently anymore because I'm in nursing school. If you guys don't know about my life and this is your first time seeing me, make sure you guys go watch that life update because I talk a lot about what's going on and why I'm not going to be posting as frequently. So I'm glad I could bring this video to you guys and like kind of make this hairstyle work. Like I said, I don't really like it, but regardless of all of that, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate all of your love and support. Stick around for the next video. It'll come sometime next week, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.